Hi my loves, welcome back to AhhhSoNeo. I am going to be chatting today about my August update. It's September, so my update for the month of August on my That's Expensive project pan. That's expensive stuff. This is a project pan started by Misty, and I always link Misty down below. And I'm really glad I jumped on this one because I have expensive products that I need to use up. So yeah, let's just jump right into it, shall we? Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. And I am gonna start with a win for this particular post. So that's expensive product. Project pan, we're using we're using about, I think it's like, you're supposed to choose 6 to 8 expensive items in your collection. Stop saving them for special occasions and just use them up. So that's what we are doing. And I finished something. Yeah, this is the Omar Essence. It's by Omorovicza, and it is an essence, so hydrating water essence. It's made with the Hungarian heavy waters, etc. I did like this, but I'm about to show you my holy grail. Well, yeah, my holy grail essence that I will actually be throwing into this project pan to replace this one. So I will not be repurchasing this one at all. But I'm really super excited because I finally finished this. It's been in my skincare stash for probably about 1.5 years, maybe. Yeah, so it was time to go. But yeah, it's done. One down. If I can finish like one product per update, I will be so stinking happy. I don't know what to do with myself. And hopefully those all won't be just makeup. I mean skincare, because as you guys know, skincare is so much easier to get through. So what I am going to replace it with is my SK2 facial treatment essence with pitera. I love this, guys. I love it. It's one of my most repurchased skincare items. I've been using this consistently 8 years, maybe. I don't know. I discovered it some time back. I probably want to say about 8 years ago, because I think I was in this house, and I've just been loving it ever since. I don't think since I've discovered it, I don't think I've ever gone more than 3 months without it. It's a must have. You know, this is like every year Sephora sale comes around, pitera. It's one of those. So goodness, I'm just talking so much. But over here, I think I've got like 30% to go. That looks about right. So this should be done by the end of the year. Another almost done, getting pretty close. Bioderma. Love this micellar water. I don't know if you guys can see that. Started way up there, I should say, probably about 20% to go. I'm almost done. It's like all the way down here. So this will probably be done in the next week or so. These I buy from Bioderma in a double pack. I know it's only $14. Sorry. I think this was $90. It might now retail for $95, but I think when I bought it, it was $90. And I believe these also retail for $90. Again, I only buy them during sales, but I'm pretty sure this retails for $90. Maybe the price went up. The way the world is, it's probably $100 now. I think these retail for $14. I always buy the double pack. I have to check how much this retails for, but yeah, I already have the next double pack already opened. It's my thing. What can I say? So okay. So yeah, so those are the 3 skincare products that I have in this. I use skincare, that is not a problem. So I have to say to myself, let's focus on the makeup so we can move through product. Okay. This one is my Soft Glam Anastasia Palette. I'm a little disappointed because I was hoping to have hit pan on a second item in here. I have not. I think I'm really close though. So you can see the pans in that one, that was a given. It's so super soft. It just crumbles right off. I was hoping to have hit pan on that one, and I feel like I have, but I haven't. And then this is a color I use as my transition shade. I'm pretty sure I'll hit pan on that one too anytime soon. You can see I've started kind of like digging into it with the brush, like, come on, get there, because I just get impatient. Once I have 3 pans on this one, I am gonna switch it out. I just need to focus on a different palette. And that's always been my problem with project pans, is because I get so focused on trying to move through one product, one palette, one whatever it is, that I end up not using anything else. And so once I hit my goal on this one, I am just gonna move out of it. This is something I had hit pan on and then I repressed it. So now it looks like I'd have no progress. So I really actually need to weigh it. And this is my Christian Dior bronzer, Forever bronzer, and mine is in Deep 8. I use this when I want to try to give myself a fake eyelid. So I use it as my eyeshadow. It gives a nice natural day look, and I also use it as actual blusher. And I've actually become very obsessed with blusher ever since I discovered this. Not blusher, bronzer. I always use bronzer, but here and there. But with this product, I've just like fallen in love with it. So now I'm getting a lot more use. I am gonna weigh this one. It says 2.12 ounces. So, because until I hit pan on it again, I won't be able really to see how far I'm doing. So 2.12 ounces, not bad. This is something I thought I weighed last month and I just don't remember. I'll look at the old video and see if it's in there. It is my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I'm almost done with this. I feel like it's been long enough. I know I've had this forever. It's probably really best to toss it. And I think I'm just gonna keep it for 1 more month. And then I will toss it. But you can see I've made really great progress. I know there's a line there, but it's really more like down to here. I had it laying on its side. But this will be repurchased, not immediately because I don't need a new foundation, but it will be repurchased. And that's coming in at 3.46. So we will, we'll see where we end up with that one. I've already chosen its replacement foundation, which is my Chanel Le Teint Ultra foundation, which is a mattifying foundation. You know, winter's coming. Well, maybe for you guys. Arizona, it's still very warm. So I think I can get away with using this for about another month or so before I'm gonna slowly start to mix it with something more moisturizing and then transition to my moisturizing foundations. But I will weigh this because it's a frosted bottle. I can't see how far I'm getting along on that one. And that is at 4.62. I have used that probably about 5 or 6 times since I did my last video. So for some strange reason, I've been reaching for my Pat McGrath as well. So I think I've actually gotten more use out of that. And I was thinking I should switch them out, but I might as well, you know, put that in here for now. I didn't do updates, did I? Financial updates. This is $24. This I believe was $48 or is. This I purchased for $60. And this I think I also purchased for $60. Okay. Last but not least on my update is my Guerlain lipstick. Together with the case is probably about $50. This is a matte shade. I've been using this every day, even if I'm not going anywhere. I'm really happy with the progress I've made. I want to get bang for my buck because it's been a while, you know. I like to do more red lipsticks in the fall and the winter, so I feel like I gotta finish this nude, otherwise it's just gonna go to waste. So yeah, that is it. That is my progress. I've finished a bunch of stuff. I've finished Caution Hourglass Mascara, Hourglass Caution Mascara. I finished my La Mer foundation. I finished a sunscreen that I had, and now this Omar Essence. So I've managed to finish at least 1 product per little presentation, so I'm pretty happy about that. I do think though for the next one I'll have this because I just got to stop using it, and then I should have hit pan on the on 3 pans on this one, and once I've done that I'll switch that palette out. So that will just lead to me rotating in new product, which is what I really want to do. so that I can keep this exciting and will actually be motivated to keep going. So, all right guys, I think I'm losing my daylight here, so I've got to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, appreciate it. I love all the subscriptions. Also appreciate everyone who keeps coming back and watching my little videos. I appreciate it. And yeah, let's be friends. Choose happiness, guys. It's a choice you get to make. You get to make for yourself every day. Make the right one. Bye.